Hello guys, I want to show you the Mightymouse catch can install on my Camaro ZL1. Put the sticker right here. So there's already many videos out there on YouTube covering the install, but basically it's just take off the supercharger lid, remove the supercharger bolts, unplug the wires right here so you don't stretch the cables, then lift up the supercharger and remove the original PCV valve down here and put the adapter in that comes in the kit. Route the hose around here behind the vacuum tank, come around here to the catch can. Then the catch can is installed right here with the bracket that comes also in the kit. I went a different route and went with the fitting top conversion. Normally there's just the breather vent right here and it vents out the air to atmosphere, but because we have really strict emission laws over here, I couldn't do that, so I went with this fitting top conversion and went with another hose around here down to the air filter housing, and as you can see in here, I'm venting inside the filter housing. At first I had this filter right here. I guess you could just leave it open and vent in here, but you still have a lot of debris and flies and whatever in here, so I still wanted to cover it. And this is quite big and restricts the airflow, so I went with the little smaller one here, and I actually found this from the RC store. It's an RC car air filter and it fits perfect. So yeah, that's it. If you have emission laws and you're required to vent inside the system, this is one way to do it. And this is also a conversion that's suggested for road racing, road course racing. You use the vent hose and route it somewhere where it's safe, like not towards the headers or somewhere where it's hot. You can route it down here along the radiator. You can route it out in the fender or wherever you choose to.